We're back. Unfortunately, we're in a similar situation to 2020, where I was in Mammoth and wildfires are impacting my ability to do much. So unfortunately, the fire is not nearby. This is actually the ones from Sequoia. Today's September 17th, 2021. It just so happens the wind is blowing in a certain direction. According to what people have told me, it should be better tomorrow. So we'll see about that. But I am here with Young. We're gonna do some portrait shooting. We got some outfits planned. I got a bunch of gear and a vision here on this road. With some of the mountains, I'm gonna use a more telephoto lens to really compress the image, get a lot of those trees and mountains to come closer. I'm excited. We're gonna start shooting and then I'll just talk to you a little bit of the process. It's a little windy, so we'll talk about settings, what I'm looking for, all the good stuff. First off, I usually shoot with the Sony Zeiss 55mm. It is very windy and I want to compress the image a bit more, so I'm going to shoot with the Tamron 70 to 180. Because this doesn't have internal stabilization, I'm going to use a tripod, also because of how windy it is, to just kind of help me out, make sure my images aren't too blurry. So we got that set up here. I was going to use this to bounce some of that sun, give our model a little bit more light, but it's too windy. This is not something that's you can buy separately. I kind of just made it, but I have two tripods and they have these clamps, and this is essentially how I get away with not having another person here to help like diffuse or bounce light. But I did, because it's too windy and I can't use that, I'm going to use this portable light here, and it's magnetic, so I just put it on this. If I find the on button, and you know, just add a little bit more light to the face, and we'll turn that up a little bit. So we have finished setting up the shoot here. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit what it looks like on the camera. So there's my compressed image. Like I said, I'm zooming in all the way at 180mm. I'm actually using my cart as additional light here. And you guys can see we set up clothes, right? To make it look like an actual story. Young's embarrassed to be on the camera, so we're gonna specifically go and show her in front of the camera. Look at that outfit, A+. Anyway, we're playing some rock music. We've got some clothes laid out, right? Again, whole point is we're creating a scene. We're creating art. We're creating an image in somebody's head. So hopefully you view some of these photos and it kind of creates a story without having to tell the whole story. We're gonna shoot a little bit, some close-ups, and then we're gonna go to our next location. We're back at June Lake. Except it is significantly colder. So Young is braving the weather here. I asked her if she's still down and she said, F it, we're here, let's do it. And I told her those are famous last words. So we're gonna practice some poses before she gets in the water because she's gonna freeze to death in there in 10 minutes. So we gotta make this quick. On my camera, same deal. I'm not shooting with the 55. I'm gonna try and shoot somewhere around 100mm focal length. Get some of those mountains in the background, compress the image, and focus a bit more on her. Oh man. It's cold out here, I'm telling you. Look. There you go, perfect, all right. Let's get to shooting this. that is it for this vlog. Shooting some portraits in the Eastern Sierras. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. It was really awesome to be able to do that with Young. to come here. And today we hiked a little bit, focused on some portraits. Tomorrow we're doing a long hike. That was really fun. Hope you guys liked the behind the scenes. Hope you guys liked the edited photos. And then at the very end, for that little treat, saw some deer running, taking some sips of water from June Lake from a safe distance with my telephoto lens. I got some images. Just overall, great day. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned until next week.